I'm a teapot. Where? Hey guys, today we're having a look at these Monster Gym trucks. Gravedigger. Who's this back here? Most of them, make sure you can see her. Look like Max D, what up? Wonder Woman, what up? El Toro Loco, what up? What's up, Michi? Look like there's some in the back. Let me honey. Bunny Hunter. Look at that. Bunny Hunter's here. Oh. So, does anyone have any doubles? Sorry, my voice is going low. Check it. Fire the cut. Middle of dawn. Because pretty cool. Trucks. What's this around? This apparently. Let's go. Just a lot of games around here. Nerf guns. Ooh, got Nerf guns. So I didn't walk up because there's no bullets in. And this and look at Bunny Hunter. Okay, but so look, football, soccer. Tell me in the comments, you want to see something like football, something you want? Okay, apparently. Okay, apparently. This is around here, a blade. I'm actually calling people on camera for the stream. What are these blades? Let's go. Is there any like double packs or something? Is there any double packs around here? I look down, ready to go podcast. Sorry, my voice is going so quiet because I need to record. These ones have brown wheels. I got the ones that have like gray digger. I got the ones that have like black rims, and these ones have like gray wing rims and whatever. Oh, that's not the new one. That's the old one. That's the like the 2017 one. Looks new. It looks new. Auto Loco, what's up? Yeah, not bad. Most of them, she's in the background. Auto Loco. That's Pyrocus new. That's Wonder Woman new. Is that her? That's Wonder Woman new. Pyrocus is back there. Yeah. Yeah. See, I think that's the only ones we can find around here. Even the new Bigfoot truck, Monster Jam fence. Like the one who wants to be in my son's is free. If you want to join in, you try by Monday. MJF, I'm gonna call him that. Monster Jam F. That's what I'm gonna call him. Yeah, actually, there's a Bigfoot truck coming out soon. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm sorry for that Bigfoot truck. Tell me in the comments if you want to see that too. I want to see it, but yeah, that's what we can find around here. There's a Fortnite stuff. Fortnite. Fortnite. Look at this. Look at this. Fortnite. Bunch of Fortnite. That's what I'm gonna say forever. Fortnite. That's the meme we're gonna say forever. Fortnite. Look at these Fortnite stuff. And don't question, I do sometimes I play Fortnite, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'm more into like monster trucks like that. Look at these ranks, these shivers. You think we got pretty loco, yellow ones. Monster Jam fans, so I'm gonna call them Monster Jam F-A-T. They call them that for now. Cause F-A-T sounds like a cool name. Wait, no, that's supposed to fact. Never mind. I wanna call them, sorry about that. I'm gonna call them a Monster Jam fonts. I think that's fonts. Aww. Oh, okay. So that was just my mom. So yeah, that's all fun, guys. Monster Jam fence. Oh, I can't remember his name. I can't remember his name now. Totally Monster Jam F-A-N-T-A. I can't remember. I was on Monster Gym fence or something. But yeah, see you guys later. Tell me in the comments if you're sure I'll buy it. I might buy one this truck over this. Let's see you guys later. Peace.